I'm Sarah Beethe.
I'm Davis Murane.
And I'm Josh Liu.
And we're Bacon Mac and Cheese. Four slices of bacon cut crosswise into thin strips. Now we have to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
We're using an aluminum pot to boil the macaroni. The specific heat capacity of aluminum is 0.9 joules per gram. Specific heat capacity is the amount of heat in joules required to raise 1 gram of a substance 1 Kelvin. This is a relatively low specific heat capacity, meaning that it can heat up faster, allowing our water to boil and noodles to cook more efficiently. Now we will add the noodles in for 6 minutes. The specific heat capacity of water is 4.18 joules per gram. Because the water is boiling, it stays at 100 degrees Celsius. It stays this way because it is going through a phase change.
Next, we filter out the garlic and thyme from the milk. The next step is to melt the butter. Now for this, we're using conduction heat. This is the result of collisions between molecules. Essentially, one end of the object is heated, and then the molecules vibrate faster and the energy is transferred into their neighbors, or in this case, from the fire, from the stove, into the pan. Now we're adding the cheese to the milk and butter mixture to make the cheese sauce. Now we have to strain the noodles.
Now we pour the cheese sauce in the macaroni.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi, I'm Josh, the bacon guy. You're gonna bake this mac and cheese for 30 minutes or until bubbly and crispy and nice. Hi, I'm Josh, and I'm also the bacon guy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cook the bacon in a pan. Bacon is mostly protein. Proteins are molecules of amino acids that the body uses as energy. The act of cooking bacon is called denaturing, which is the act of pulling apart the structure of the protein. When bacon cooks, it turns into a darker color. This occurs because of the Maillard reaction. This is a chemical reaction discovered by Louis Camille Maillard. This Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction between an amino acid and a sugar, usually requiring the addition of heat. The reactive sugar interacts with the amino acid and the new odor and flavor molecules result.
While it was in the oven, it used convection heat to cook. This is when the hot air rises and transfers heat throughout the entire space of the oven, leading the mac and cheese to be heated and cooked as well. Here we have Hot Chicken Monkey Man to talk about the importance of using hot pads. When something is hot, the heat diffuses through the air, meaning that it moves through the air. However, when your hands get hot inside of the hot pads, that's from effusion, which is the diffusion of heat through a membrane. Therefore, in order to not burn ourselves, it's very important to use hot pads due to heat diffusion and effusion.
Finally, we pour the bacon onion mixture onto the mac and cheese.
Now we're cheesing. I miss Noble. Bye.